Introducing the Innova SDS50, a powerful powertrain diagnostic tool. Designed ergonomically, using a ruggedized rubber exterior for a secure grip, integrated into a 5-inch touchscreen tablet. With powerful features and wide coverage, the Innova SDS50's price range will really hit the spot. AutoLink technology automatically identifies vehicles, which covers most 1996 and newer domestic, Asian, and European vehicles. The Innova SDS50 is fully supported with all OBD2 modes, in OBD2 diagnostics. Moreover, for each DTC, the Innova SDS50 provides the most likely fixes, which are real-world solutions taken from thousands of ASE-certified technicians, who have walked through the same problem you are experiencing. With OEM diagnostics, the Innova SDS50 is an OE-level diagnostic tablet, which features capabilities for retrieving OEM-detailed codes and streaming real-time enhanced data, covering all systems, not just the basics. This dealership-level bidirectional tool features active test and special functions for engine and transmission. The vehicle inspection function provides an overall vehicle health report, including engine emission status, all system scan, service check items, and warning lights. The Innova SDS50 workshop tools extend the coverage of OE-level services and repairs, which are oil maintenance reset, battery reset, electronic parking brake reset, steering angle sensor calibration, TPMS relearn, ABS bleeding, battery or alternator test, DPF reset, throttle body relearn, maintenance reset, transmission fluid change reset, transmission fluid level check, suspension calibration, headlamp calibration, and tire size reset. Innova SDS50 brings you a manufacturer-level diagnostic scan tool. Visit us at Innova.com for more information on SDS and other diagnostic tools.
Find the problem, fix the problem.